Ate Lace, say hi. Chef. Yeah.
We are pleased to have you on board this Philippine Airlines flight here in 815 for Davao. Mabuhay miners carrier. We request all passengers to occupy assigned seats down for the next are required by the simplification regulations. Be the passenger if you need to be seated, please inform your captain.
Hi. So, uy, paano to? Ito, hindi ko alam. Oh! So, whoever speaks, it turns. Hello, hello, hello. Ha? Ano? May mic yan. Ay, may mic? Saan? Diba? Hindi rin ako naririnig. Oh, say, what can you say about the flight? Wow. Wow. Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm a professional sleeper. What do you do for a living?
Say something.
No. You know you want to.
Salamat. Ingat kayo.
Ngayon pa lang pala nag-start. So, hi guys. We just arrived here in Davao. So, kinuha muna namin lahat ng mga gamit namin and stuff. So, si Ate Sophie na lang ang natitira. So, ikot muna tayo to say hi to everyone. Hi vlog! Hi everyone! Chikot, chikot, chikot.
We're off to eat lunch. And
Gutom na gutom na.
it's cool.
ASMR. Kunwari may kinakain ako. Gutom na.
Kumari umiinom. State your name, age.
Hello po, my name is Pia Rodriguez po. Ano po sunod dati? 18 years old po. Libero po. Hi! Wow!
Ano gusto mo? I'm Amy Provido, 20 years old. I'm a middle blocker.
Ano to? Hi, my name is Maria Jessa Orjales, 23 years old, Bacolod City. Hindi ko alam. 20. Single. Pero pwede na married. Charet! Alam, ganda talaga. Promise. No, sobrang fresh. Ikaw, state your name.
My name is...
Ba't ganito? My name is Ella Marjona Uragas.
I am 20 years old.
Hi guys, my name is Juliana Tolentino. I'm 22 years old. Ay, si Kuya Rusty. Pakita mo si Kuya Rusty. So, sana nakita nyo yung naka-gray na shirt, that's Kuya Rusty. Siya yung laging kasama namin. Kuya Rusty!
Kuya Rusty!
Say hi to the vlog. Alam mo, they're saying na Davao's a really disciplined city. So, I'm gonna judge that right now. Disciplined city. So, i-judge natin kung totoo nga talaga na discipline ng mga taga Davao.
Anyways, we hope good food, guys. Gutom na kami. Bye! We're in Davao. Dami mo ng appearance eh. Say
sa Malaysia kasi meron kami exhibition dito. Malaysia!
Hindi talaga. Ay, yung bag ko. So guys, we're... pray daw muna. So,
Nag-i-interview tayo, guys.
Iikot kami. Sasama kayo sa amin. Kuha kami ng food. So, ito yung favorite. How are you feeling?
I'm incredibly fine. Ay! No.
Incredibly flying?
Incredibly fine. Sorry, wala akong Grammarly ngayon.
So, how was your flight? How was the flight?
It was amazeballs. You know what I mean?
Why?
Ino naman eh.
How amazing?
Ano bang klaseng tanong to? Wala bang meaningful questions like, what can you say about World War II? Ganun.
Okay. So, if that's what you want, then what can you say about World War II?
Nag-shutdown.
Do you even know when World War II happened?
1940s.
Yo, what's up?
What can you say about World War II?
It was devastating.
Okay, bye guys. Next, here is our outside view.
So hi guys, we're here sa
Bus. Kakatapos lang ng training.
I'm gonna rate our training around
My training, 2 out of 10.
would say mine is like 5/10. We're pretty humble. It's a long process, guys, but we're gonna make it. So pag in a few years time, if we're gonna play this video, magiging proud na tayo for each other. Okay.
It's Ella and Ate Juliana's diary. Diary in Davao lang.
Diary in Davao, but oh my God! Oh, diba? Mas maganda yung light kapag medyo dark. So, I'm gonna take you guys to Davao. Yan. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Kita lang yung eyes ko. And my eyebrow.
Hi guys! Pagod!
Rate the training out of 10.
8.
Ate Jessa, how about
You.
1, kasi hindi ako nag-training.
Dilay.
5 ate, kasi hindi ko na naman nakukuha yung serve ko. Yung vlog na to, pagdating ng last day, okay na yung serve ko. I promise. Bye.
Ha?
Rate the training po.
Masakit yung shin ko.
Damn.
Siguro 2 out of 10 kasi just came back and di pa ako pwede mag-ball. I have like limitations. Kaya, yeah, that's it. I just did that. Yeah, bye! Compared to them, bye!
Hi! From 1 to 10, rate your training. Ang energy level ko lang ngayon. 0 mga becharis. Ako nasa 5. Sakto lang tayo. Doon lang tayo sa sakto. Huwag tayo sumobra. Ikaw? 1 to 10.
The energy level po, generous po ako. I'll give it a 6 to 7.
Why?
Because I'm contented po with what we have.
Hello po. Ate. Rate ate, rate.
Anong rate?
Rate me. Training po, training.
Training.
Ang taas po.
Training kanina?
Hindi ate kahapon.
Sorry. Siguro 7.
Why? Well, feeling ko lang 7. I like number 7. 6 po. Yun lang.
Shane! Bakit? Ano gagawin ko dito? Ano gagawin ko dito? What should I do? What should I do? Hoy, ano gagawin ko dito?
I'm passing this phone to someone na nagda-drive. iPhone camera pala.
My training today is I did shoulder weights. So
5. How about you? Rate 1 to 10, B.
11.
We're back
At the hotel.
So, kakain na kami ng dinner namin. And then, we're gonna wash up. This is the walk to the... Hingal siya, guys, actually, in fairness. The walk to... Kung saan kami kakain. Wow, 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 wow! Wow, wow! Been to... Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Intermission number 1, Angel Canino. Ang target ko po today ay si Pia Rodriguez. Say hi, Pia.
Hi po.
My question is, how, saon eh?
Kaya mo yan, te.
Rate your training out of 10.
Ang training ko po, ang rate ko is 8. Pagod. Ewan ko, te. Pagod dahil galing flight po, tapos training. Pero okay lang naman po. Buti na lang 2 hours lang.
Good. Bye, Pia. Next. Nicole!
Grabe, tingin lang yung screen time ko.
Guys, si Nicole nagtatampo. Ikaw na, 5 minutes sa'yo.
5 minutes.
So, rate your training out of 10.
7. 6.
Wow, so high. Why?
Ano ba to? Pagod de or... Sige, mga 3 na lang pala. Change. 3.
Change of mind all of a sudden. Why?
It's not training, you know. The train is not training.
Relate. Okay, thank you, Nicole.
Hindi ko memorize to.
Ingay naman, be! Parang mga... Hey guys, so it's day 2. So right now, magpapapawis muna kami. Then tonight, may game kami versus Lyceum na 7 p.m. Doctor. So, ayun lang. So, quiet muna tayo kasi, kailangan focus tayo. Right? Bye!
kami sa warm-up nila, but yeah, here they are. Go Lasal! I don't know how to like... Yan o, kita niyo yan, nagalaro sila. Let's go! Oh yeah. Thank you Davao people for the support. We appreciate you guys. Hey! Go Shabby! Watch me guys. I'm gonna be a cameraman. Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Hindi pala madali. Woo! Ano ba to? Ang hirap pala. Outside! Okay! It's our point! Mahirap pala maging cameraman ng UAP. Grabe yung sinusundan. Ang bilis ang bola.
Kuya Leslie. Hi ka.
Hello.
Yung katabi mo walang pakialam. Jai, ganito ka din. Rian. Okay.
Do your activation. Okay. Next.
So this is our last day here in Davao, so we're going to rate our day today. So I'm passing the mic to Angel kanina first.
Rate my day. 10 out of 10 dahil nag-swimming kami. Yung iba dyan, walang ginagawa pero ayaw mag-swimming. So, KJ kayo.
Ikaw, Pia.
Taroy.
Ay?
Ano yan? Hindi ako ulit na!
Chote. Ay!
Ay, charge mo yung
Rusty, say hi.
One time, singing my life in the sun.
Okay, back to what we were saying. Small but wild.
Small but terrible.
Like a keychain and her dilemmas of buying a bag. What should she do? I don't know if this is looking at me. Like, I need your help. How do I turn it off?
Say hi.
Kung sinong lalaking umakyat?
Hey guys! Right now, nasa airport na kami. Uuwi na kami. So sad guys. Say hoo. Hoo. Ikaw din. Hoo. Uuwi na kami. But I'm gonna say na I really had fun sa Davao.
Anyways, bye.